start in one of my favorite restorative poses, which is child's pose. This is a mild inversion, so your head is gonna be a little below your heart. It's gonna help moderate your body. So I like to start with my big toes touching and your knees opened up wide. Crawl your fingertips forward and lay your chest down onto the ground. All right, really let your sit bones come back towards your heels, and then allow the third eye, or the space in between your eyebrows, to press down onto the floor. Let's start to focus on the breathing in the belly. Inhale, expand your diaphragm, maybe feel your belly press into your thighs here. Exhale, let everything go, melt towards the floor. You'll find a little depth in your hips, a release through your chest. One more, inhale. Exhale. Gently draw your hands underneath your shoulders, press down into the floor, and come to rise to a seat. Draw your knees underneath you.